Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm going to continue on with doing the validation to all these data objects. It's probably going to be a little tedious, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to do. Okay, so it is what it is. So how do we know for this one? Oh yeah, the one that I just did. Sorry. Yeah, so provided those three. Okay. So how did I do that with? Yeah. Yep. Gonna have to make this a block body. And that just does not look. I might switch that away from a tuple syntax. I wish they had a way to say, not convert to struct. That is not what I want. What I want is a way to have it switch from one to the other. But, oh well, it is what it is. So if we say, if not provided occurrences plus provided default occurrences plus provided not default occurrences not equal total occurrences, then we basically do this. And then let's just switch this right away. It's going to be painful to do this, but there's far worse things in life to deal with. Right. I got screwed up. Somehow, this doesn't really, it's like I got off by 1 or something. I wonder how that happened. Okay. Until it's a Sunday night for me, so yeah, a little tired. This is really wordy. Do I really want to say this? I mean, yeah, I do. I just don't want to type. This is so exciting. There. Okay, and then let's run all the tests and see what fails. So one of the things I did in my Sunday today is I put in a new wireless router. I think I may have mentioned that in the last episode. Oh, come on. What is... It's like it gets confused. It gets tired or something. I don't know. So I put in a new wireless router, and then I use these PowerLink devices, which I've also secured and paired up. So I bought 4 of them. 4. And I just use 2 right now, one from the router and then one up by my family computer. Because, as I said, the wireless, even with the new wireless router, it was seemingly a little bit of a pain. So I put those in, and it seems to work so far. I'll be watching it over the next couple of days and see if, the kids do. And then see if that's stable. What I might end up doing then is putting one by my Xbox and then one actually in my office here, because then I have I think I mentioned this a while ago, that I have a hub in my room, but the wire from that goes all the way out, down, around, and then to the router over there. So I have a bunch of long wires all along the side of the wall, so it's not like it's in the way, but down this hallway here, it is a little, you can see it on the floor. So if it's stable and it seems to work, then I'd put one in here and pair it, and then see if that gives me stability and connection here. And if it does, then I just get rid of the wire. We'll see. But that would be just a little bit less of. I knew that there was. I knew there was a way to do like network connectivity over power lines. I read about that years ago, but I never knew that it actually went to like a home network type of thing. And I've heard some people say it works really, really good, and then there's some people like, well, it doesn't always work the best. It does seem to have. It's not like 100% consistent, but it so far seems to work. But we'll see how that goes. All right, so would you just... I don't understand why it does that. I really, really don't. Oh, come on. Thank you. Only 2. Okay, so that's not too bad. Yeah. Oh, this stuff. Math is hard. Really, the only 2 numbers that matter are this one, that one, and that one. So if I said this is provided like 5 times, that'd be 6, and then this is 4. Let's say 2 here, 1 here. Let's say 5. It doesn't really matter. So 5 plus 4, we can say 3 there. 8, 2, 10. Okay. So if we do the same thing here, 20, 50, 30, 10, 50, that should be the same numbers. If you add them together, 2, 5, 33, 11, and 55. And probably my math is wrong because I'm realizing just how tired I am right now. Oh, pass now, good. Yay, wonderful. I'd like to get through all these and then close this chapter out on this code base. Oh yes, oh yes. What did I... Let's grab that. So we'll say 10U, 2U, 5U, 3U, 1U, and 5U. Okay. No. Let's run this quick. We'll see if it doesn't fail on any of my stuff. And I will run this on all the other ones as well, for all my test projects, just to make sure it doesn't fail. Okay. Added. There we go. All right, so you've got that one, this one. And good, I already did this. So if arrow single line occurrence plus arrow multi-line occurrence plus block occurrence is not equal total occurrences, you know the drill, do this, and that, except we're gonna I should have grabbed the other one is what I should have done. But I can keep that one there. What do you think it's going to be? 2? Because that's what it was last time. 9. Oh, well, ain't that grand. Yep. Bye-bye, Spackle. My little library that couldn't. So if I say 10 here, and I say 5 here, and I say 3 here, and that's 8, so this has got to be 2. Okay. It's the same thing here. 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2. This will be 55, 33, 22. Okay. Ah, yes, those have to add. Favoriting arrows. So I just say 5 here. I mean, that would make the test pass. It's the, is it going over the right thing that I'm wondering? It does. Okay, what about all these? I think it's doing what I want. I think. Oh, yes. I'm probably going to want to, yeah. We just want to add these. So I'm going to say, what is this? 2 plus 3 is 5, 9. 90. And then we'll just say 99, if I could type. Okay. And then we're just going to copy this in all the places it fails, except we're going to use these. Okay, and then we're going to get rid of that. And we'll do that 4 more times. Okay, 3 more times. Two more times. We're almost there. Had to look for a second. That looked about the same name there, so okay. Run all tests. One failed. Why? Did I miss that one? It's possible. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. Okay. Run the integration test, just make sure we're not failing. It'd be really interesting to see what I'm choking on, like what are my hot points. If there's anything I can do to make my stuff faster, we'll see. Okay, so this is expression body data. Added validation for expression body data. And I think we're down to 2 more. Yeah, well, no, 3. Modifier data. Oh, this one. Though I don't think this will be as bad. Yeah, this calls the base. So here I could say, what am I passing in for the total here? Oh, well, I don't have to in this case. Do you see why? Because this one here takes these dictionaries, but then it calls this one, and to pass in the total, it's automatically taking the total from these two. So I don't need to do a check here because it will be equal to the summation here. It always will be. So I lucked out with that one. I don't have to do a validation for that one. This one. So this one is if you add has spaces for control flow, your total occurrences will go up by 1. Your has spaces, if it's true, you leave it as it is. Otherwise, you add 1 to that. If it's true, you add 1 to that. Otherwise, you leave it alone. Oh, so it's either one or the other. Okay. Because if that was true, then you don't do anything to that. If that was true, you add 1 to that. So, all those together. Oh, dear God. Gotta cheat here. If okay. Yes. That is a long string, but it is what it is. Well, now it's not going to... And there we go. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. 10y. Why? Why? 1u, 2u, 3u, 4u, 5u, 6U. So what is this? 11, 15, 18, 20, 21. I think that was right. That would be interesting if I got lucky with all these, that they added up correctly. That's actually amazing. I must have actually, just by pure chance, made sure these always added. Who knew? Who knew? Not me. Do these all run? Well, does it fail, I guess is the question. Nope. Okay, so we've added so we should have one more. Tab space data, which is almost like Boolean data. There really is no difference. And tab is in the same spot as true. So, you know, that's just, that is stating, that's like serendipitous, or whatever you want to call it, of the truth of the world. And there we go, let's fail now. 2. Add and create. Create. Yep, that one. Let's say we have 2. We've got 1, and that makes us 3. I guess it saved. Yes, it did. And then this one is, yep, that's not right. This has to be 5. This has to be 50, and then this has to be 55. You ran them all. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. And validation for, that's it. We are done with this one. Can I say here 38 finished? No, because yeah. Oh well. That's fine. Push. And then under here, and we say delete. Yes, delete. And then I'll close this one out. Close issue. There we go. We're down to 19 now, right? Yes. And what we have left in here, there's only 2 open left. So there's a tracing option and create conventions. So the tracing option is the idea that where every occurrence happens, you put in the name of the file and the span, which, yes, that can get quite expensive to do. So we really don't want to do that unless we have to. It'd be interesting to see what happens when I do that with the statistics file that's generated. And then create conventions, that one's going to be pretty, that one's going to be more tough. And I'm not going to do either one of those tonight because I'm tired. And Monday's another day. I've got 2 weeks to go. And then I'm going to be on vacation for 2 weeks for Christmas, winter holidays. Geez, excuse me. So probably we'll be going down, weather permitting, to visit family, or maybe we won't. I don't know. We'll see. You know, again, it all depends on weather. And if the weather holds up, we'll go down. If not, no reason to risk it. So, but yeah, I'm going to be off for basically 1 week. So that's that. And yeah, literally 2 weeks and a couple days. So So I am looking forward to that and just doing nothing but sitting on my butt and having fun. So I will probably try to attack these. And the tracing option one I don't think will be hard. So I think I'm going to do, it just will be data intensive, memory intensive. But actually doing it I don't think will be hard. The conventions one will be harder. So I think I'm going to do this one next. And then we'll do conventions, and then I will actually be able to publish 1.1, and then we'll figure out what's next on the plate. So, thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.